Hi folks, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The World of English. And this is our another video in the series Commonly Mispronounced Words, where we will learn names of animals. So let's begin. So our first word is pronounced as chameleon, chameleon, not chameleon or chameleon. Second is wolf, wolf, not wolf. Third is worm, worm, not worm. And this is bear, bear, not beer or beer. Then owl, owl, not owl. Here it is calf, calf, not calf. Our next word is python, python, not python. Here you can see a chimpanzee, chimpanzee or chimpanzee, but not chimpanzee. You can see a buffalo, buffalo, not buffalo. It is deer, deer, not deer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.